We got another tornado warning and I had to rewind it. Alright, hold on. Any second now. Alright. Same tornado warning, but they're extending it.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a tornado warning for portions of Berkeley County in southeastern South Carolina, Dorchester County in southeastern South Carolina, until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Denver, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Somerville, Monk's Corner, Latson, Rigetto, Bono, Southern Lake Moultrie, Sangaree, Jedburgh, Old Santee Canal State Park, Eugene, Knightsville, and Panopolis. This warning includes Interstate 26 between mile markers 187 and 201. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
It's time to say goodbye to Jed and all his kin. Thank you folks for kindly dropping in. This locality, so you've been helping over the hospitality. That is spell. Take your shoes off. You hear?
This has been a film-wise presentation.
Viacom.